Good morning, everyone. I'm going to wait until few people hops on. If you're watching this, then obviously you're watching a replay. So type hashtag replay. I would appreciate if you give a like and any smiley even. If you're hopping on, say hi. And as I said, I'm going to wait for a few people until they hop on, and then I will share what's special about today. Hi Prashanti, thanks for hopping in. Good morning Prashanti, happy Friday. This week being a long weekend, I think it felt like so short, and so it is like every day I used to keep checking. Already I used to do that. Since being at home, I always know it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I never realize whether it's what to say, like May 1st, May 2nd, or anything, because since I have to keep things on schedule, I always keep the days in mind rather than the numbers. So today was my in-laws 43rd anniversary. Last year they were here to celebrate with us, so this year obviously we missed them. So morning I got ready and already wished them. They feel so happy when I get ready, like they'll be like they'll be seriously waiting to see me. And today I made sure, like, I got up early. The I didn't do my lip color in live today. Two reasons. One was it was continuously raining in Charlotte. It was crazy, like it really felt like spring. It doesn't feel like summer at all. It is like I don't remember it raining this much in May, that too. So I know my pictures, I I may or may not be able to take it outside, so I made sure I got ready a little earlier than usual. And my photographer had a 9 o'clock meeting priorly scheduled, so he was like, "You need to get ready, then only I can take pictures, or else you need to wait till 11 o'clock." I was like, "No way, I can wait till 11 o'clock." So I got ready and did the lip color too. So I thought, okay, I will hop on and just share the things here. You Every week when I pick the sari, I look to go with it too. Mostly Divya helps me to do that. This week we picked a few inspiration from Instagram, and one of them was a typical bridal look. So I thought, why not? I will get ready and do that one. I know it's hard. I'm still learning. I always accept it. I'm not what is it, like a makeup artist. So I'm still learning, and I'm proud of it because I feel like I have progressed well from last year. Because I have never attempted any eye look until, I would say, even till September. Maybe I need to go back and see. So it is only for the past few months I've been trying. So I am happy, like I get to do all these things. And as I said, today is my in-laws 43rd anniversary, and Monday is my parents 42nd anniversary. So it was so close. Last year they both were here. Both my in-laws and my mom were here, so we celebrated everything together. And because last year we had school until June 9th, so we were able to do both. And this year, and June 1st is always what to say, like growing up, I think most of you would know our school year starts in June 1st. So it is like everything new, like you will have a new bag or new books, and everything sealed and covered, labeled. And we always used to get one new dress for my parents anniversary for June 1st. So that is like one thing you can look forward. Other than the uniform, it is like now we get to buy so many things whenever we want, but those days it is like you get it only in special occasions. So it is like everything is like you look forward to do that. And so I pray for good health for all four of them. Being alone there now at this situation, that's the one thing we wish for most. So I already spoke to my in-laws since their anniversary. I still have to call my mom. And for my eye look, as I said, I picked a eye look from like a what is it like bridal collection, so it was all glittery. So what I did is I did candlelight for my color correction, then I did americano as my transition shade, and then I used the peaches from the Posh Pastel collection. I have used it as a what is it like a cut crease, I can say, like a base for the rose gold glitter to go on top. Rose gold glitter is something you should see it in person to know how pretty it is. It is a color that you cannot do justice in videos at all. So you can see it as like that's the one I have used. When compared to other glitters, if you have used glitters from any other thing, you will always have fallouts. Here with SeneGence, you will not have that much, because being they settle well, you don't have it. And other thing I like to do was, I like to do the, as I said, I like to use a base. That way it has something to stick on. So that's the one I have used. And I have used black onyx as the to brighten the corners alone. And I have used green pencil to tie in with the look. The picture did not show what she was wearing, but I took the lenience of using green to tie in with my look. So I used the green liner. So that's the look. It is more of like almost similar shades, and just onyx to give a different base to it. And obviously being a bridal look, she had a red. So I picked these two for my look. I have used one layer of red ruby, because if you see red ruby, it is like a metallic red, so which I really wanted to have as a base. So I did one layer of metallic in red ruby, and I did 2 layers of Fly Girl, my all-time favorite red. So that's what I did, and I sealed it with matte gloss. I am always a glossy girl, but red is one where you need like a matte look. So that's what I did. And the sari was from my what is it like a baby shower, like we call it we call it Seemandam, where it is like 12 years back. You can imagine it was literally after 30, maybe 34, 35 week. So I used to be like literally 90 kgs, above 90 kgs. So I was hardly able to wrap it around me. And being a new sari that time, you can imagine how it will fall through. And the thing was, Krish was literally he is a big baby. Like I think he weighed 3.75 kgs. So you can imagine how much I might be carrying. Like literally you can see my belly sitting like another person. So we waited for my sister to come. So we had Krish was born on February 17. So I had it around January first week, 9th or 10th, I believe. So it was like I was almost what is it like in end of 35 or 34. So but I was hardly able to wear it. Imagine doing any makeup, because for our baby shower and all, like for Seemandam, we used to have they even pour water on you during the ceremony. So I hardly wore anything for my face, or and I was literally tired, because it always starts from early morning to till afternoon. So I didn't wear anything. So whenever now I get a chance to revisit those memories, I try to incorporate what I should have done, like what I needed those days. So that is why today I thought, okay, I will go with the look, that is even more bright. So, and what else I have used? I have used pearlizer for today. The days you use pearlizer, you can see the shine in your pictures itself, because being a highlighter, it will literally flash on every side you turn to. So that's the one. And this week, being 4-day week, it flew like anything. Like we are running on the last week of school. In another 10 days next week, I know it's going to obviously slow down, so it will not be much. So that's the thing. And I know people are always used to say it was tough, difficult during until doing the school work and other things. For me, the biggest work will be occupying them in summer. That's the thing. Like the two things you should say that you will hear often is, I am hungry, I am bored. So being a growing teen, I need to preteen, I need to occupy him physically, mentally, and academically, and emotionally too. So all challenges are ahead of me from June 9th. So that's the other thing that will be going on. So hope you all are in phase 2 or phase 3, wherever you are. For us, almost everything started doing, the small business, everything was started moving on. So hopefully everything comes back, offices and other things. So take care and have a wonderful weekend. I will post my details on the makeup too, and the things to remember is the sign up is going on till 31st. So you still have 3 more days till California time to sign up if you are looking for to sign up as either a distributor or for personal discount. And the sale I have posted for both the Father's Day one, which is the men's shaving cream, the cleanser and moisturizer, is still going on. It comes with a free lip balm, and also you can include it in my sale, which was for above $150. You get to pick your free gloss. So if you even consider that, this was like 104. So even if you add like a day moisturizer or even 2 lip scents, you still be grabbing 1 free lip balm and 1 free gloss. So that's a really good deal, because it is like $40 worth of free products for that, for $150. So and other thing was, what else I wanted to say, one more thing. Today I have posted, I'm going to post, I think I haven't posted it. There was a sale for the tanning coconut milk and body scrub. So 15% off on those. So that is the men's, and this one was from Senegence. So they used to have the predicted timeline set by them. So I will post all the details, and as I said, mine also runs till May 31st. So grab whichever you want to, and see you all soon in another video. Have a wonderful day.